Sequences and series. First we know the definition of sequence. Sequence is a function. Sequence is a function whose domain is the set of all natural numbers. If the domain of any function is the sequence is a function with the domain set of all natural numbers. Now we know the real sequence. What is a real sequence? If the range of the sequence is the subset of real numbers, if the range of a sequence is a subset of real numbers, then the sequence is called real sequence. Then finite sequence. First we know the real sequence. If the range of the sequence is subset of real numbers, if the range of a sequence is subset of real numbers, then that sequence is said to be real sequence. And finite sequence. Finite sequence means if the terms of this, let me know the series first. Series. By adding or subtracting the terms of the sequence, we get a series. By adding or subtracting the terms of a sequence, we get an expression. This expression is called series. This expression is called series. Now this is the definition of series. By adding or subtracting the terms of a sequence, we get an expression. This expression is said to be series. For example, if A1, comma A2, comma A3, so on, AN is a sequence, then A1 plus A2 plus A3, so AN is called a series. So in this case we learn what is sequence, what is real sequence, what is series, and then what is the difference between sequence and series. So we are supposed to know the finite and infinite series in the next case.